NCERT 8th class maths chapter 2nd exercise 2.5 question number 1. Solve the linear equation. This means here also we need to take out the value of x. There are two ways to solve these type of the questions. Now first method is this and second method also I'll let you know. Firstly see the first method. This is the linear equation given to us. Now we can see the denominators. Here denominators are 2, 5, 3, 4. We can take the LCM. If LCM we will take 2, 5, 3, 4. You can take in rough notebook LCM, or in right hand side here you can show by taking LCM. 2, 5, 3, 4 LCM will be 60. So multiplying both sides by 60, left hand side and right hand side, the complete number we will put in bracket this number, these terms, and we will multiply by 60 left hand side and right hand side. Now if we will open these brackets and multiplying with 60, we will get in left hand side 30x minus 12 and right hand side 20x plus 15. So if we will solve, the next value will be 27 upon 10. So this is question number first. Now let's see the second method of question first. Now let's see the second method of question first. This is the linear equation we have to solve. If we need to find out the value of x, so x terms will be left hand side and other numbers will be shifted to right hand side. Now x by 2, here x by 3, it will be shifted to left hand side, then sign will be changed of minus, here plus sign will be changed in minus. Already in right hand side 1 by 4 it's there, minus 1 by 5 will be shifted to right hand side, it will be plus 1 by 5. Now take the LCM of 2, 3, you can, here simple LCM will be 2, 3 ja 6. Now 2, 3 ja 6, 3x minus 3, 2 ja 6, 2x. 4 and 5 LCM will be 20, 4, 5 ja 20, 5, 4 ja 20. So if we will solve, we will get this equation by cross multiply. Firstly we will multiply x and 20, because x and 20, x value we need to take out and x we use to keep in left hand side, and 6 and 9. Let it be likewise, don't do multiply because we have to cancel the numbers. 20x we can write, 6 multiply 9. Now x 20 is in multiply, here it will be in division because left hand side we need just x, so every number we have to shift in right hand side. Now 6 multiply 9 upon 20, we will cancel out on two tables 6 and 20, so x value will be 3 9 ja 27 upon 10. The same value we have got here. This is the question number 1, exercise 2.5, 8th class NCERT chapter 2nd, exercise 2.5, question number 1. By two ways I have told you question number 1. Now you can solve with any method. Which method first I have told you, and now this is the second method to solve this question. NCERT 8th class math chapter 2nd exercise 2.5 question number 2. This question we can solve with two methods. First method is here and second method I will tell you. By first method, firstly we will, this is the equation, we will see the LCM of denominators. Denominators 2, 4, 6, here no denominator, we can consider 1. So LCM of denominators 2, 4, 6 is 12. Left hand side you can take their LCM, LCM will be 12. Now multiplying both sides with the LCM. If we will multiply this all numbers, we will take in one term. We will take as a one term means in one bracket we will multiply these all numbers by 12 with 12, and right hand side also multiply with 12. Now if we will multiply separately to each term, then if we will solve, after solving we will get this equation. If we will solve this, 7n is equal to 252, n is equal to 7 will be shifted to right hand side. If we will divide by 7, n is equal to 36. Now let's see the second method of question 2. To solve, how to solve with the second method. Which method you will feel easy, you can solve with that method. Now let's see the second method. This is the second method to solve question number 2. In this method n terms will be one side and without n terms will be right hand side. So already these terms are in left hand side. We will take the LCM. we will show right hand side. LCM will be 12. After taking LCM, we will solve 21. Here denominator is nothing, so we will consider 1. After solving, we will get this. Now we will solve, then n is equal to 36. So this is the second method of question number second. So we can solve these questions with two methods. Complete 2.5 exercise can be solved with two methods. Which method you will feel easy, you can solve. But with one method you have to solve. 8th class NCERT Maths exercise 2.5 question number 3rd. Question can be solved by two methods. With the two methods, here one method I will tell. After this I will tell the second method. Now this is the equation, linear equation. We will take the LCM, left hand side terms and right hand side terms, which is denominator. That LCM we will take here. We will show the LCM. LCM of the denominators 2, 3, 6 is 6. 2, 3, 6. These three numbers as the denominators we have. So LCM of these three numbers will be 6. Now with this LCM, if we will multiply left hand side and right hand side, then after solving this, we will get the value of x is equal to -5. Now let's see the second example. This question 3rd, how to do with the second way. This was the first method. Now second method of question 3rd. Question 3rd can be solved with the second method. X terms will be left hand side and without x terms will be right hand side. Now this x term we will shift to left hand side, it will be of plus. This without x term will be shifted to right hand side, it will be minus. After taking LCM left hand side and right hand side, if we will solve, we will get the equation this. After cross multiply, we can get 5x is equal to -25. 6 and 6, these are same denominator, can be cancelled between equal sign. So x value will be -5. So this is question number 3rd of exercise 2.5. NCERT Math 8th class exercise 2.5 question number 4. Solve the linear equation x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. How we can solve this equation? Now here denominators are 3 and 5, so we can take the LCM of denominators. Now multiplying both sides with the denominator 15. If we will multiply with the denominator both sides, we will get the equation 5x minus 5, 3x minus 3. After that, x terms will be left hand side and without x terms will be right hand side. So x value will be 8. So this is question number 4. Question number 4 can be solved with two methods. This is the first method. Now let's see the second method. Now this is the second method. X minus 5 upon 3 we can write x upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. Same right hand side we can write. Now left hand side we can take LCM. After taking LCM we can solve. Same as right hand side we can take LCM, and after LCM we can solve. Now after taking LCM we will get these equations. 15 will be cancelled because denominator is same. Now it is left 2x is equal to 16. So x value will be 8. So both methods, with the both methods we can solve question number 4. Which method you will feel easy, you can solve question number 4. NCERT 8th class math exercise 2.5 question number 5. Solve the linear equation. So this question can be solved with two methods. Here first method. Firstly we will see the denominators in left hand side and right hand side. 4, 3 and 3. LCM of 4, 3, 3 will be 12. Now with 12 we will multiply left hand side terms and all terms of right hand side. After multiplying with 12 we will get the equation 90 minus 6 minus 80 minus 12. After solving this equation right hand side and this is left hand side. Now t terms will be, we will keep in left hand side, and without t terms will be shifted to right hand side. Now t value we will get 2. Now let's see the second method. This is the second method. We can write 3t minus 2. This is second method of question 5. This is the equation given to us. Now this equation we can write separately. This term 3t upon 4 minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t upon 3 minus and plus will be minus 3 upon 3. Like here no denominator, we can consider 1. Now left hand side we will solve after taking LCM, and right hand side we will solve after taking LCM separately. After solving this we will get these equations. We will cross multiply we will do here. After this 3 can be shifted to right hand side so that we can cancel the numbers. After this we can get the value of t is equal to 2. So this is the second method. Question number 5. NCERT 8th class maths, question number 6, exercise 2.5. Solve the linear equation. This sum can be solved with two methods. One method I am telling here, left hand side and right hand side. What is the LCM? Here denominator nothing, then we can consider 1. Here also we can consider 1. Now as a denominator we have numbers 2 and 3. So LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. Multiplying both sides by 6. Now with 6 we have to multiply left hand side the complete term and right hand side. If we will multiply, we will get 6m minus 3m plus 2m, and right hand side, left hand side 6m minus 3m plus 3, right hand side 6 minus 2m plus 4. Now m terms will be shifted to left hand side and other numbers will be shifted to right hand side. M value will be 755. So this is the first method to solve question number 6. Now let's see the second method, how to solve the question 6. Equation is given this. Now left hand side we can write m, here no denominator we can consider 1, minus m by 2, minus and minus will be plus, plus 1 by 2. Separately we can write this term. Same in right hand side, 1 no denominator, so 1 upon 1 minus this term we can write separately, m upon 3, minus and minus will be plus 2 upon 3. So if we will take left hand side LCM separate and right hand side LCM separate, after taking LCM we will get these terms. Now after cross multiplying we will solve it. Likewise now m terms will be shifted to left hand side and without m to right hand side. So m value is 7 upon 5. So this is question number 6 of exercise 2.5. NCERT 8th class math exercise 2.5 question number 7. Simplify and solve the linear equation. Here linear equation is given. Solution. We can multiply with 3, this inside term, and here with 5. Now t term can be taken in left hand side, and without t terms numbers can be shifted in right hand side. So after solving this we will get minus 7 upon t and here 14. So t value we can get minus 2. Likewise you can solve with the same procedure question number 8, 9 and 10. 8, 9, 10 question. Try yourself. You can easily solve with the same procedure as we have done question number 7.